This wearable uses AI to catch the moment your phone never sees. The ones that happen while your phone is in your pocket. I'm talking about that 4-second thing your dog does that you would never film on purpose. You would never think about it. The face your friend makes mid-sentence. The walk home that felt ordinary until you saw it later as a story. That came back from a day I wasn't like filming. I was just living. And the device that built it is this, the Looki L1. It's an AI life memory camera. I didn't know what that meant before I started using it, but after I did, I looked forward to everything it did. The Looki L1 is an AI life memory camera. It's a wearable that captures selected first-person moments hands-free. It notices what matters and turns an ordinary day into something you can actually go back to. This video is sponsored by Looki. I'll show you how it looks on the tech side, and then I'm handing it to Sonia, a lifestyle creator, so you can see what this feels like when someone is actually living with it, not just reviewing the device. Let's walk through capture, notice, and relive. Before we get into how you wear it, Looki is not a GoPro. It's not built for extreme sports, slow motion stunts, or cinematic B-roll. It's not a professional production camera, and it's not a spy gadget. It's designed for transparent, consent-based capture. There's a privacy light and a system that sounds so people around you know that it's working. And what it is an AI life memory camera. The job is simple. Help you preserve and relive everyday life while you stay present in it. 3 ideas the whole product is built around. Capturing things hands-free so filming doesn't pull you out of the moment. Notice, it surfaces the small stuff you normally lose. And relive, journal, comic books, auto vlogs. These things I found were amazing and actually made me remember things about the day that I would have completely forgotten about. And it just keeps your camera roll pretty clean during the course of the day. Everything else is how it delivers on that. So you can wear it. You clip it to a collar, magnet to a shirt, or hang it by the magnetic necklace, which is what I typically did. The necklace is a smart design. The cord can tuck under the shirt and the magnet holds it through the fabric. So that same mount doubles as a charger, which is really cool. You just drop it back on, put USB in, and you're done. Once auto mode is on, you're not holding a phone up to your face. Looki captures selected first-person moments while you keep your eyes on the room and what's going on. That's a capture solving the presence problem. A lot of people take their phone out and then they're no longer in the situation. They're not in the presence of what's happening. They're filming it. This allows you to do both. It's light enough to forget. It's about 32 grams, and it video optimizes for live blogging, 1080p with strong stills up to 4K, wide angle of view so the frame feels like what you saw, and battery aimed at full day life. It's IP67 with onboard storage, and it's local first by design and by default. Remember, it's not constantly recording. It's AI powered. It captures and picks selected moments while you've enabled it. And that's intentional. It's better for battery, storage, and actually wanting to wear it all day. This is the part that actually sold me on this whole thing. Your phone is great at moments you decide to capture, where you pose and it gets framed and wait, hold on, let me do that again. Looki is built on the moments in between those, the reactions, the transitions, the walk between places. The joke you didn't know was the best part of your day until you saw it later. In the app, those land in one place called Moments. It's easier to browse by activity, place, and time. You're not scrubbing through a giant film named something useless. You're scrolling a day. And then there's Journal, personalized recaps that bring back details you've already forgot. And Pi, the more proactive side, little nudges and companion style help, not another chatbot you have to go open on purpose, although it does have a chatbot as well. Listen, I'm not gonna sell any of this as magic. On my unit, the clear win was super simple. It noticed things I would have never stopped to film, but later really enjoyed. I also love the comics it makes. This is something that I remember seeing when this was pitched to me, and I thought, oh, that sounds neat, but it's one of my favorite things that this thing does. Days that have happened that seem like nothing interesting has happened, and then I see a little comic book of it, count me in, I love it. Capture and notice only matter if coming back to the day is easy. That's relive. Looki can turn selected moments into moment recaps, daily comics, and auto vlogs. Keep them private or send them to a family or even post them. It's up to you. The important thing is these are personal memory stories, not a replacement for planned highly production shoots. If you need a controlled B-roll camera, use your main camera. But if you want to capture those moments that are, man, I remember that thing, I wish I had my phone out, this is for you. For me, seeing an ordinary day turn into something I can actually reopen was like, okay, I get what this product is. It's so amazing. But remember, lighting is super important. Outside is the best place for it. You can definitely use it inside, but you definitely want to make sure that you're in a well-lit environment. The light and sound systems are there on purpose. They're visible and audible cues, so people know that you're recording. It's not some type of spy camera. Of course, you're responsible for following local laws. But just know that this thing always feels like it's just along for the ride, and it captures moments that I wish I could have thought about when it was happening. Also, the data can stay on the device. You choose what syncs for the AI features. When data is processed in the cloud, Looki's approach includes encryption in transit and stays on AWS with moderation filters for sensitive categories before they're saved. Full details are in their privacy policy. This is for people who hate living behind a phone screen but also want the day back. Parents, pet people, travelers, anyone whose best moments are unplanned, or creators who want in-between moments, not a replacement for their main camera. Who should look elsewhere? Well, if you want a full pro camera or continuous recording or hardcore action cam, that's a different tool. I've shown you the tech side, what it is, capture, notice, and relive work, and why the value for me is for those in-between moments. But I'm a tech creator. The better proof is someone who actually lives this stuff day to day. Sonia wore this in real life, and her section is the lifestyle side, and she learned things that I didn't even know about it. That's what's awesome. My experience was completely different. Sonia, take it away.
I think it's pretty cool, actually. Thanks, Travis. So I have been using this device for the better part of a week now, and it's been an interesting journey. It's been an interesting journey. I'll be honest, when Travis first reached out to me about this product, I did think it was a little gimmicky. And I mean, to an extent, you can make that argument that it is gimmicky. But as someone that has started to document my life, I found that having something like this makes it a lot easier, especially when I'm out in public. I think one of my favorite features by far is like this little comic book feature. So basically, as you wear it, the AI within the app will take whatever it is that you filmed and then turn it into a comic strip. And at the end of the week, it'll compile all of them together and give you like a cute little comic strip. And I think that it's just fun. My first day wearing it out, I went over to a cafe here in, my local area. And even though I had it set at like the perfect location and I kind of just let it go, unfortunately, by the time it was time for me to go grab my drinks and get them, it completely missed it. Because I missed so many different things that I was out and about doing, I ended up lowering the interval. So now I have it at 5 seconds every 1 minute. Oh, I think a close second favorite feature was the auto vlog feature. It will just automatically gather a couple of those clips throughout the night. It will compile and create a vlog for you. But I think it is fun and it is exciting to wake up every morning like, ooh, I wonder what it did for me today with all of the clips. One thing I would like to see is maybe more integration with other journaling apps. Like I utilize the Apple Journals app just because it's already built into my phone and my iPad and stuff like that. It would just be nice to have it integrate within one of those journaling apps so I don't have to do it myself. I think that would be pretty cool. It's just a nice to have. So for me, as I'm wearing it and it'll see whatever it is that I'm eating or drinking throughout the day, it'll make note of all of that. And at the end of the day, it'll give me like a nutritional breakdown of everything that I've had. That's a feature that I was not expecting at all. It's something that I really have come to look forward to. Sorry, editing Sonya hopping in here. So as I was working on editing my portion of this video, there is an app update. There is an AI chat feature. And so as I was talking to the AI after the update, I asked it to, and I'll read it verbatim and I'll put it on the screen for you, like when creating the animations later tonight, make sure you use some of the computer footage. I'd really like to see that. Somehow it spawned a whole new agent, titled it
editing assistant, it went ahead and inputted the instructions that says later tonight when creating the animations, use some of the computer footage because Sonya really wants to see that. And then it sent me a message saying, you know, hi, nice to meet you. Whenever you feel like chatting, I'm right here. And then gave me a list of things that it could do, which is the exact same list the original AI agent does. And I thought that was really interesting. The fact that it spawned a whole new agent is kind of insane.
So those are my thoughts. If you would like to follow me on my YouTube channel, if you are into more ASMR style, quiet, cinematic type vlogs with very little speaking, you can follow me on YouTube here at Sonya T. I am also on Instagram, TikTok, Blue Sky, and Threads, also under Sonya T. I would love to see you over there. I just want to say thank you all again, and that'll be back to you, Travis.
So Looki L1 is an AI life memory camera. It helps you stay present in the moment. Notice captures everything in between. Relive gives you a day back to you that you may have lived and forgotten about. It's not an action cam. It's not a cinema rig. It's for people who want life documented without performing every second for a lens. If that sounds like you, links in the description with a little discount. Thanks Looki for sponsoring this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.